Hi guys, it's me, Natalie on that, and welcome to my channel, Glam Slam Nails. And if you're new, my name's Natalie and I like doing nails, reviews, hauls, everything to do with nails. But today's is the VIP box from Sparkle Supply, and it's December's. And just before I start, these are all Lorraine's socials, TikTok, Instagram and Facebook, and that's her website. I'll just put it there so you can see. Yeah, it's sparklesupply.co.uk. If you do get anything from Sparkles, use code NFM15 for 15% off. I will put it up here somewhere. So, let's have a look what we got. Ooh, this is nice, isn't it? Smoked Diamante chain. Look at that. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? It's really pretty, that. Again, you could use that on Christmas or New Year's set. And it'll look good. It's very sparkly. Yeah, that's nice. Ooh, this is different. Equid, don't know. I don't know how to pronounce that. I think it's Equid, possibly. But it's a zebra effect, but it's black and yellow. That's nice. That's really pretty. It's a bit unusual. Oh, this is nice. Look at this, sea sand. That's definitely summer. But I mean, you could use it at Christmas time, obviously. Look at that. It's got a green. It's got a green to gold to. Well, it's green to gold. Yeah, it's really pretty. That. Not seen anything. Anyway, that's sea sand. Now the beauty about these boxes is you get a month before they come out, so that's good. And then there's, well, I'll just do this one. This last one, leopard, and it's a leopard print, obviously. But it's a large print, so that's quite cool, isn't it? That's nice. Very nice. Very pretty. So we'll go on to these now. What's this one? Rose Sparkle. Let's look at this. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. Pink, black and gold dots and hexagons. Oh, that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Do you know, that'll be nice, not just for Christmas and New Year, but also it'd be nice that for Valentine's. So look at this one. Gazing. I know this is going to be beautiful. Oh, gold and silver, and it's got stars in it as well. Oh, that's stunning, isn't it? I like these ones because you can just pick out what you want to use, you know, rather than if you do acrylic, you get a load on acrylic. You can just use a little one. They'll last you ages. And finally, in this one is Tiara. Oh, beautiful. That's blue and pink and green and oh, it's all colours. Beautiful. That absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, it's more of a flake. That very pretty. So that's my Sparkle Supply VIP box for December. And like I said, if you do decide to get it, it's NFM 15 for 15% off. And these boxes are really good value. Yeah, and you, as I say, you get them a month before, so you can, you know, you can put things out. Yeah, I really like that. Really pretty. So yeah, let me know what you think, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're gonna get anything, let me know in comments if you've got anything from Sparkles and use my code. That'll be interesting. Is that a little bit pretty? It is. And I do have a video coming out shortly with using some of these crystals here next to me, but these are the tips I'm going to be using for my next video, and these are for my hand, my practice hand, not my hand, my practice hand, so they will be going on there. Yeah, so, and I'll be putting that out shortly, and I hope you come back again. Thanks for clicking on the video, and I hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.